All right, Shara, are you comfortable on these pregnancy pillows?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Let's check. All right, do you feel the resistance against how this one can go closer to your butt and this one can't?
Yeah.
All right, so it means that your pelvis is rotated. We're gonna be taking that rotation out just by using this drop table. And you're just gonna hear a loud noise, but it's a gentle adjustment. That's so much better. All right. And right now, I'm just pushing down the sacrum. It opens up that disc space between the lowest lumbar vertebra and then your tailbone too. All right. Perfect. And go ahead and take a deep breath in for me and blow it all the way out. Nice. All right, go ahead and flip on your back for me. All right, good. Perfect. Let me see your arms. All right. What I'm checking is the psoas muscle because that gets really tight and it comes from the front of the pelvis over and connects to the back of the spine right here. So I'm just helping this release, especially on your left side right here. I'm sure you can feel that's pretty tight.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it gets really tight.
Especially with grown belly. How many weeks are you right now?
35.
35.
8 months.
All right, let me see those hands again. Okay, good, that's even. All right. And now what I'm gonna be doing is just adjusting the pubic bone too. With the relaxin that comes into play during the third trimester, things can easily shift out of alignment. So I'm just gonna have you hold your hand right here, and I'm gonna be using the drop table again. Good. All right, and then come on up for me. Good. And now I'm just gonna be checking the round ligament. This gets a lot tighter as everything starts to grow.
Mm-hmm. Feeling.
Yeah. And we're just helping to release this to allow for more room for the baby. All right, perfect.
Thank you.